Your 12 by 16 tray has arrived with the handles uninstalled. Let's put them on together. The handles must be screwed on slowly, one side at a time. Using the screwdriver provided and the screws, screw the right side first, just a little bit, maybe 3 or 4 turns, and then switch over to the left side using the screwdriver to screw about 3 or 4 turns. The handle will be partially affixed, a little bit jiggly and loose. You can use a screwdriver to tighten a little bit on each side until it's fully tightened onto the tray. Then switch over to the other side and start over again. Troubleshooting. Forcing the screws at an angle will cause handle misalignment. Forcing the screws will strip them. It's important to move slowly, one side at a time, until the handle is tight. If the handle won't align, try swapping the handles or flipping them over, then try the slow screwing method. If you've stripped your screws, please reach out to us and we can replace them in the mail. Always feel free to contact us if you have issues.